Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Matthew, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to write a marketing case study. So why marketing? I'm a marketing professor. I thought it would be easy, but the concepts still apply. The concept really applies to any case study you want. And we're going to use ChatGPT to do that. And I'm going to show you a bunch of tools and tips and tricks and ways to do that to get a great case study. Now, in years past, when I wrote case studies, it took me a long time to think through. Usually it's a real company, you do a ton of research, and there's a valuable bit of content behind that, right? You've invested time and effort to get authentic content, real companies, and so on. But with ChatGPT, we can get the scenario we need, we can write the case study, we can get all the content we need to assess our students and do it much easier. So let's dive in and see how to do this. So the first step is to go to, obviously, TWC Publishing or teachingwithcases.com. We've got our free case generator. Now, why are we using the free case generator? Well, this is the one you have access to. So I'm going to do it the way you do it, or if you have the access to the premium one, then obviously the premium one's slightly different, which is this one here as it loads. But essentially, I'm going to do it with the free version just to show you so you can at least see. But this is the generator. We'll go back to the free one and we'll make this work. So the first thing we have to do is we're going to do a marketing case study. So the way the generator works is all you do is go here is what is the category of your case, which is the discipline. So we're going to choose a marketing case study. And then we say, what's the topic or what's the case about? And this is where you choose the main topic for it. So we're going to say customer behavior and selling online. And what type of case is it? It's going to be a business case. And all you have to do is click generate prompt, and it's going to generate a prompt for you. This is the prompt. It's quite extensive. It actually trains and teaches ChatGPT on what to do. So this prompt has taken me quite a long time to write. And basically what the prompt is doing is it's taking the content you have, you put in those three pieces, and it's putting it into this prompt so that it really gives you a result, quite a quality result right away. So let's copy this, go over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to use ChatGPT 4. It will do the same for the most part with ChatGPT 3. It's better with ChatGPT 4, but ChatGPT 3 will do it as well. And all you do is paste the prompt in and hit go. And ChatGPT will actually read the prompt and assess it and start to give you an actual case. Now, ChatGPT chose the title, it chooses the content, but you told it the topic, you told it a marketing case, and we told it a business case. And really what ChatGPT is doing is it's basically following the prompt, following the directions I've given it, and then obviously your insight, and now it's writing a case. And you might be thinking, okay, this is pretty cool. How good is this case? Well, it's really up to you how good it is. Meaning usually what I would think is a case that's written by ChatGPT in the first run is an amazing assessment for the starting point. But really it's sort of a version 1 case, meaning it's one where we can get more detail, more insight. It just takes a bit of collective prompts and making it a bit more insightful, more details, or changing the problems or changing the nuances. But I would consider this sort of a version 1 case. If you need something quickly, it's pretty much done the way it is. But if you want something a little bit better, I'll show you a few prompts right now to improve this. So what ChatGPT has done is taken our insights, our prompt, and basically generating a university level case study on marketing, customer behavior, and selling online. So that's what the case is about. And obviously the business case format, the problem, and it chose a scenario. Sarah Thompson, the chief marketing officer at NetCart, an online retailer startup specializing in electronics, is grappling with a dilemma, blah, 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 blah. So this case will actually be crafted, will flow, will work with the prompt that we've done. So it's actually pretty awesome that way. So what do we do with this? Well, what you can do is if you want to expand it or to improve upon it, we can do that. So how do we do that? Well, if we want to expand the problem or expand the industry and add more details, we can prompt it that way. But I'm not going to do that. For this scenario, I'm just going to go to our data, and we have some recommendations, some data, and basically I'm going to see the supplementary materials, which it says the organizational chart of Netgear, the financial statements, and surveys. So what I'm going to do is take the materials and go back here and say, create these in table format where possible. One thing that's really important is I have found that when you are talking with ChatGPT, the more direct you can be, the better it is, because there's less room for interpretation and misunderstanding of your words. What I did is this: I want ChatGPT to create table the content that I've pasted in the table format where possible. So it's probably not going to put the organizational chart in a table. It may. It hopefully will put the financial statements in a table, and it may even create some content in a table format for the customer feedback surveys, but let's find out what it does. So why are we able to do this and have this sequence and work together? When you have a conversation with ChatGPT, basically every single conversation you have in the dialog box, that is sort of training ChatGPT holistically on what you want. And basically in this specific conversation, anything I talk about, it trains ChatGPT and focuses ChatGPT on what I want. So remember, ChatGPT is a huge database of knowledge that is there to reason, process, and articulate, and analyze, and all that fun stuff. And basically, we want to access that information and have it come back as something meaningful. And when we have a conversation like this, the prompts we use, the interactions we do, focus ChatGPT to give us the best variation of information. So what we see here is a supplement information. So it gave us the organizational chart in a table, which is great. It also created the income statement or the financial statements that would be connected to content for the case. And it actually gave us customer feedback surveys. I'm going to go one step further and say, I want more of this. I'm going to go back here and I actually want this to be in a written format. And I want more details and information. Now you might be thinking, I'm just giving it, and all I'm doing is I'm telling it what to do. So I have to have an idea of what I want to do. I'm telling it what to do, and then I'm recopying and pasting the content. I'm doing that so there's no question, so there's no missing of what's going on. But ChatGPT should now re-expand and develop that specific section of the customer feedback survey. So now ChatGPT is choosing what else it feels is more detail, what else it feels is more analysis. And it's going through and creating this content that actually fits in the whole case. So hopefully you can see the possibilities of what we have here. You can see the possibilities of, wow, in 5 minutes, we have created a case, whether it's a good or bad case, subjectively, it's functional, it does what we want. We've created a case that has supplementary resources that are building into it, that have now extended and developed it. And really, we have the starting of an awesome deliverable or potentially an authentic assessment. And hopefully you can see the benefit, the using the free generator and understanding how ChatGPT can be used to create content, specifically how to write a marketing case with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. Hopefully that was helpful and you enjoyed it. I'm going to do more videos as I'm doing this and just helping you learn how to use this amazing tool. But more importantly, have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.